Guys, I am all the way at the old airport in Piarco. I came here just to taste Uncle's footlong pie. I've been told by many of you all that his pie really does taste good. Now remember, it's 1 foot long. I don't know if I could eat it all, but I'm gonna try. One pie.
Oh,
Yeah.
one pie?
One, yeah. Uncle, I came all the way from Central just because I hear about this footlong pie, yeah? On a solo.
I see.
$12 for a pie. Guys.
Yes, I will.
Okay, there you go. This is Uncle. Everyone's found at the old airport. You can look for Riley's. Piley hot tasty bubbles. Thank you so much. If you have a wonderful day. Look at the size of this. Look. I definitely know I cannot eat this all, but I have to try it. So. Guys, and this pepper sauce, I bought this before and it is really amazing. It is like one of the best pepper sauce that I ever bought. It really is homemade. It tastes like homemade pepper sauce. Probably a little better too, eh? Sorry, Mom.